Hello, hello, and welcome. My name is Teacher Shelby, and this is Conversa, your place to learn, practice, and actually speak English with confidence. Now, today we're going to go grocery shopping in English to buy ingredients for Thanksgiving dinner. Or you can use this if you're grocery shopping any time of the year. But I have Thanksgiving dinner coming up soon, and I need to go buy all the ingredients I need to make some delicious foods for Thanksgiving. So I'll teach you some phrases, some vocabulary, and some real English you can use at the grocery store. Let's go. Here we go. I've got some phrases for you today to use at the grocery store to help you sound more fluent. Maybe you need to ask a question, you need to find something, but you have to use your English. Let's go. Number one, the phrase is let's grab. Let's grab some potatoes because I need to make mashed potatoes for Thanksgiving dinner. Let's grab, let's grab some potatoes. What is grab? Grab means to just take something really quickly. You'll hear this when you're shopping. Oh, I just need to grab potatoes. I just need to grab like two things in the grocery store. Let's grab. All right, number two is we need to find, or I need to find. I need to find the canned pumpkin so I can make a pumpkin pie. So, what does find mean? It's a verb. It means to look for something. I need to find something. I'm looking, right? Thanksgiving pumpkin pie, oh, it always needs canned pumpkin. So, I need to find it in the grocery store. Number three, do we have enough? Sometimes I ask my husband, do we have enough milk? Do we have enough milk at home in the fridge? What's enough? It means just the right amount. You have sufficient, that's a really formal word in English. The more informal word is enough. Yeah, I have enough milk. I don't need to buy any more. Number four is wait. Let me check my list. Let me check. Let me check. You always need to bring a list to the grocery store. Well, maybe you don't, but I definitely do. And I always need to check my list with all the things I wrote down. And I take my pen and I go check, 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 check. So I don't forget anything that I need. Number five is, I think it's on aisle five. Aisle, what's an aisle in the grocery store? The aisle is the long row with all the items. This is an aisle, the long row in a store. For example, the canned pumpkin is on aisle five, or the canned cranberries are on aisle A17. You never know what the aisle name, if they use letters, if they use numbers, but they're all called aisles. Number six, all right, I have everything I need. Let's go to the checkout. Let's go to the checkout. What's the checkout? That's where you pay for your groceries. You can do self checkout. Here in the US, it's very normal to do self checkout, or you can pay with a cashier. The person is called a cashier at checkout. Number seven, sometimes I may need to ask, can I pay with cash? Can I pay with cash? Again, in the US, it's very normal for people to pay with a credit card, a debit card, even Apple Pay on their iPhone or their phone. But it's getting more rare, less common to pay with cash. So maybe I want to ask the cashier, can I pay with cash? Yeah, I can. All right, my last phrase for you is, and can I get a receipt? Can I get? What does this mean? Can I get? Is like, can you give me? Please give me my receipt. What's your receipt? It's that small paper that shows all the items you bought. And I like to get a receipt because maybe when I get home, there's something I need to return later. If I didn't need 20 cans of pumpkin, I can return a few after Thanksgiving. There you go. Now you're ready for the grocery store. All right, I hope that was fun for you to learn phrases about going to the grocery store and you feel more confident talking to people or asking questions in a grocery store or a supermarket in English. Now, you may be wondering, Shelby, Teacher Shelby, you look the same as last video. Yeah, I know. And I'm going to look the same all month of November because I'm doing some traveling. Can you guess where I am? Right now, as you're watching this, I'm in another country. And maybe I'll tell you in the next video where I am and what adventures I'm going on. And soon, hopefully, I'll have some videos for you about those adventures. Now, tell me in the comments. Of course, I have a question for you. Tell me, what is the item you buy the most at the grocery store? Like every time you go in the grocery store, you always buy this item. For me, I would say it's fruits. I go into the grocery store the most often to buy a few fruits like bananas or apples or oranges, something like that. Something fresh and a little healthy. So I love to buy fruits in the grocery store. All right, if you missed my last video with all the Thanksgiving vocabulary, I used some of it today as well in this video. Check it out. Learn all about Thanksgiving in the US. It's my favorite holiday. I love it more than Christmas. I love it more than everything. I love Thanksgiving. So, of course, give me a like, a subscribe, share this video with a friend if you're having fun learning English with me so they can too. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.